Good morning. How did you sleep? Good morning. How did you sleep? What's on your agenda for today? What's on your agenda for today? Don't forget to have a nutritious breakfast. Don't forget to have a nutritious breakfast. Start your day with a positive mindset. Start your day with a positive mindset. Take a moment to express gratitude. Take a moment to express gratitude. How can you make today extraordinary? How can you make today extraordinary? Set goals for the day ahead. Set goals for the day ahead. Embrace the opportunities that come your way. Embrace the opportunities that come your way. Today is a blank page. Write a great story. Today is a blank page. Write a great story. Smile and let the world wonder why. Smile and let the world wonder why. A cup of coffee can work wonders in the morning. A cup of coffee can work wonders in the morning. Check the weather to plan your day. Check the weather to plan your day. Remember, every day is a chance to improve. Remember, every day is a chance to improve. Take a deep breath and appreciate the moment. Take a deep breath and appreciate the moment. Focus on what you can accomplish today. Focus on what you can accomplish today. Believe in yourself and your abilities. Believe in yourself and your abilities. Face challenges with courage and determination. Face challenges with courage and determination. Explore new opportunities for personal growth. Explore new opportunities for personal growth. Morning exercise boosts energy and mood. Morning exercise boosts energy and mood. Practice mindfulness for a calm start. Practice mindfulness for a calm start. Start your day with a grateful heart. Start your day with a grateful heart. Stay focused on your priorities. Stay focused on your priorities. Hydrate yourself for a healthy start. Hydrate yourself for a healthy start. A quick review of your goals can be motivating. A quick review of your goals can be motivating. Visualize success in your endeavors. Visualize success in your endeavors. Morning routines create a sense of stability. Morning routines create a sense of stability. Plan breaks to recharge throughout the day. Plan breaks to recharge throughout the day. Consider the impact of your actions today. Consider the impact of your actions today. What can you do to make someone smile? What can you do to make someone smile? Infuse enthusiasm into your morning tasks. Infuse enthusiasm into your morning tasks. A positive attitude is a powerful tool. A positive attitude is a powerful tool. Enjoy the quiet moments of the morning. Enjoy the quiet moments of the morning. Challenge yourself to learn something new today. Challenge yourself to learn something new today. Express kindness to yourself and others. Express kindness to yourself and others. Make time for activities that bring you joy. Make time for activities that bring you joy. Stay true to your values and principles. Stay true to your values and principles. Take steps toward your long-term goals. Take steps toward your long-term goals. Connect with your passions and interests. Connect with your passions and interests. Positive thoughts lead to positive actions. Positive thoughts lead to positive actions. What goals can you achieve today? What goals can you achieve today? Express appreciation for the beauty around you. Express appreciation for the beauty around you. Celebrate the progress you've made. Celebrate the progress you've made. Face the day with confidence and determination. Face the day with confidence and determination. Encourage someone who may be facing challenges. Encourage someone who may be facing challenges. Connect with nature for a refreshing start. Connect with nature for a refreshing start. Set the tone for a productive workday. Set the tone for a productive workday. Engage in positive self-talk. Engage in positive self-talk. Show gratitude for the people in your life. Show gratitude for the people in your life. Face the day with resilience and strength. Face the day with resilience and strength. Focus on solutions rather than problems. Focus on solutions rather than problems.
Subscribe.